Hello, today we will guide you through how to contact H&R Block customer service. Start by opening your browser and going to the My Block homepage. This is H&R Block's secure client hub, and it's the best place to begin because it connects your account with support options tailored to you. If you see a sign-in prompt, go ahead and log in so the help tools can recognize your profile and services. Once the dashboard loads, look toward the top or main menu for the help option. Click Help to open the support area. This is where H&R Block organizes answers to common questions and provides ways to reach their team. On the Help page, choose the Contact option. This takes you to the section designed specifically for getting in touch with customer support. If you don't immediately see the Contact option, you can also select the HRB Help Center. Both routes lead you into H&R Block support resources and will point you toward the same destination. From there, scroll to the bottom of the Help Center page. The lower section typically includes direct links to support pathways and details that are easy to miss if you only glance at the top. When you reach the bottom, select Customer Help and Support. This link moves you into the main support portal where H&R Block consolidates help articles, contact methods, and tools for getting assistance based on your product or issue. Once you're on the support portal, scroll down again. The information is organized in sections and the details you need may appear a bit further down the page. Keep an eye out for hours of operation. This area lists when customer service agents are available, which is essential for planning your contact so you can connect with someone promptly. Hours may vary by season, especially around tax deadlines, and can differ by time zone, so double check the times before you reach out. A few quick tips as you go. Make sure you're on the official H&R Block pages and that your browser is up to date for the best experience. Having your basic account details and any relevant documents handy can speed things up once you connect. If page labels look slightly different on your device, use the on-page search or the site's search bar to find Help Contact or Customer Help and Support. That's it. By starting at My Block, opening Help, choosing Contact or the HRB Help Center, scrolling to the bottom for Customer Help and Support, and then locating hours of operation, you're set to reach H&R Block